Diamond B.
Sabihin mo lang, salamat Shopee!
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Ayan po, ayan nga po, nagsisimula na po tayo sa video na to. Pero, magiging kakaiba tong video na to kasi magiging collective haul siya or unboxing ng aking mga binili sa Shopee. Wala na akong pera. Ito na, first na dumating sa bahay. I think this order was before 6/6, so sasama ko na lang din kasi tingnan natin kung anong binili ko sa loob. I bought, andito na siya, yung maliit na mic. I have a small mic for you guys para maganda na yung quality ng ating sound. Try ko yung mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo paano ito. Cute niya, sobrang liit. Meron tayo dito phone stand kasi yung phone ko ngayon nakapatong lang sa charger para tumayo. So I needed this. So may isa pang mic. Hello, mic pala yung binili ko. Nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Para siguro pag nasira isa may reserva pa. Mura lang naman siya. White eyeliner. Because I'm looking for a good one. And I can't see to... Oh, okay. That makes great white lines. You can see that. So, ayun lang. Tapos na yung ating first parcel. I'm gonna wait for more to come. So, ayun po. No, pinagpawisan po ako dahil maraming responsibilities. And ayan. Nakadating lang ng aking second package from Shopee for today. This one I actually bought. 6/6 ko rin pala siya binili. Hindi ko maalala. Okay. So, wala siyang bubble wrap. Buti na lang ay hindi siya nabasag. But, here she is. This is Acrylic makeup mixing palette. The one that you use for like foundation and stuff. Para sana to sa mga future client. And para mas malinis tayo sa ating gamit. So, ayan siya. Meron pa yata siyang film na tatanggalin. Here she is. Tapos meron din siya kasamang spatula. Yung spatula hindi ko makuha. Okay, so ito yung spatula and this is the palette. Very standard, it's just acrylic, looks nice. Buti hindi siya nabasag, thank you Lord. Just gonna like, you know what I mean? Like,
you know what I mean?
hello. So I got a new package, I got a new package from Shopee. So, ito na po, bubuksan na po natin siya mga kaibigan. I'm excited for this. I'm gonna ruin these shears, but do I care? Yeah, but like, I'm lazy to get a real pair of scissors. Ooh, girl, ooh. They really sealed her in. Ooh, fancy. This is iMagic Pro. That, okay. Oh, okay. This is a 12 colors foundation cream. I'm gonna use this for clients and myself, you know, for the different skin tones and types. Okay. She's a bit sweaty. I don't even know why that's a thing that happens, but I guess it was hot in transit, but yeah, here she is. Looks amazing. Pretty cool, pretty chic. I love it. Niyo! So I'm here back again with another Shopee parcel. This item is just very little and very few. Got this from flash sale around 6/7 I think. I bought it after the sale. We have very cute pearl clamps. I should have 6 of these. So I have 2 of these like random bauble designs. Very cute. These have like just straight pin, the larger pearls in them. 2 of the same kind of design, but with smaller pearls in them, as you can see right now. I really like them. They're very cute, very dainty, it's very pretty, and I just got them for 9 pesos each. So you can't really beat that price, honestly. And it's free shipping. I mean, listen to the last clip that I did, and the air was bothering me, so I'm just gonna, you know what I mean. Okay, so it's the time today again where we unbox or unplastic, because let's face it, They use parcels and not boxes. Shopee order again. Didn't expect to have a lot of items actually checked out from Shopee. I thought it was a few.
That is not correct.
But it's not. Ooh! First item are these beautiful earphones. They're very cheap. I just got this just guys, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
And this quick release plate for the tripod that I'm using right now, because they're actually just standing in the head of the charger because I don't have a quick release plate so I can like mount the camera holder, safely holds the camera. But now that it's here and now that it's there, I can finally use it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it goes. It actually doesn't fit, so like this is just sad. I hate my life.
Hello, I'm back from a short while.
Rip it open. Here is my Chic Door Colors, Body, and Face Paint palette. It's very cheap actually, and it's kind of similar to the iMagic one, but that was a bit more expensive than this one, so I just got this instead. Yeah, it came with the scratches, you guys, so I really don't recommend that. And okay, this is a unfortunate box for the eyeliner. I don't really recommend you guys buying these because they're fake. So eyeliner, I really wanted to have one. Now I do have. Wait lang. Oh my. Does it want me to open her? Okay. Here she. Ooh. Very pretty colors. I'm gonna use this for Halloween, for special effects makeup, for creative makeup, for drag makeup. Who knows? We'll try it. We'll try it. Okay.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Okay, so this is my last and final order from 6/6 sales, but you know, a lot of new content will be in this channel, hopefully, and of course a lot of backlog vlogs as well will be coming. With that being said, here is my last and final Shopee order. Okay, so let's open her up. I think this is my
Wig, okay.
so there's a new one. Okay, you can see it's in a box and with free hairnet as well, which is nice, you know. Love some free. Here she is. Ooh. It's not like the color that I actually expected. I thought it was pink in the photos, but it's not really pink. It's a more of a dark mauvey pink, an old rose, if you will. It looks very pretty. Oh no. Yeah. Well, this scalp area is very dense though, but it's still very cute. It's long. Save the best for last, I guess. I don't even flip her around, zhuzh it around. Ooh, actually, oh, I think the bangs are too long. Oh no, I don't think this is my favorite item. You know, it's very realistic, I guess. Well, yeah, it's a very thin wig. I mean, the price of this wig is just like 260 something pesos. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right now, so I understand why this feels very thin. You know, liking it a little bit more. I wish I had my brush with me, but I don't. Let's pretend that it's brushed out correctly right now. Cute, kind of. She's very pretty. I think she will work in photos, you know. I actually like the cap in this. The cap size of this wig is bigger than the others. Yeah, I can see a lot of, oh my god, that's a lot. There's a lot of hair fall right there. You know what? It comes with the price. It's very cheap. It's cheaper than the first wig that I actually got. So yeah, that's that. Wow. What a way to end the video, am I right? Okay.
Thing snatched.
So, inabutan na ng 7-7 yung aking Shopee haul. So, i-add ko na tong dalawa na ito para dumami pa yung items. I'm gonna link them down below as well so you can check them out. So, I'm gonna open it now. Ano ba ito? Oh. Sige. So, my gosh. Ooh, iridescent. belt bag for 95.99 pesos. Magkano ba to? Ooh, pretty. That looks so cute. Yes. Work. Looks so shiny. So, ayan. 95 pesos. I'm gonna link this down below so you can buy it too. I love iridescent and everyone knows that. So, this bag screams me. So, ito namang pangalawang package natin. Open here. Ayoko nga. Here she is. Another package. Ayan. Bumili ako ng cello wax. Because I tried this before, pero hindi pa masyadong light yung hair ko. But sometime soon, mag-bleach na ako ng hair. So I'm gonna see how this looks on bleached hair. But for now, I think I'm gonna use violet for my brown hair because I want violet hair for a few months now. I bought medium brown. This is blue. This is cyclamen or red. And then we have violet, Kia, and blonde. I bought actually this red and blonde together with the medium brown because I want to make like a copper color for my hair. I want to do like the split color trend, whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So here's another package that just came again, just right after the two that I've shown you. What's happening? You guys, I'm sorry for this footage. So here it is. Ooh, she is a cute little brush egg. This is actually like one of those silicone cleaners, brush cleaners that you can buy. I got this for like 8 pesos, so I'm not really mad. And yeah, I'm gonna use it after. Look, she is so cute. You can put like your finger in it, and then like you clean the brush and through bristles and all that. So yeah, got a package from Shopee. Okay, let's open this up. I don't even know. We're gonna get through this, okay? Girl. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Here she is. Oh, this was the skeleton bracelet. Here she is. It's cute. I'm gonna try this on, and I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. Hopefully it fits, because it looks small. So we're back, and this is how it looks like. Ayun, medyo nagbabunch up siya kasi I have very short fingers, I guess, but very fat. Very fat paws. And look at that. That's a gap, and it's very tight. It's cutting off my circulation in this hand, and I can't feel it, but it looks great. I love it. I might adjust this situation because I can't live with that. But all in all, it's pretty cute. I love it. It's good. It's very cool. I'm gonna list all the items that I ordered in the description box below. Give you the links because I'm a generous person and I give everything that I can. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my face. And if you really like it, then you should have put a ring on it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all at ZimonB. You can like our Facebook page, facebook.com/IamZimonB. And as always, I hope to see you guys soon, and have a great day ahead. Bye. This is fun.
Sabi ko, meron kang 10,000 bigay ng Shopee. Hello?
Scam ata.
Ano?
Scam ata to eh.